Oh, you're the mermaid, huh? So beautiful. Good, it's so blue. Run, Mama, run! Yeah. Right. Let's go play. Let's go play. Yeah. All right. My grandma can't sit down though, okay? Because it's wet and I'll wet my butt. Yeah. Here it comes. Oh, you want me to? Okay. I don't have a cup. They went to go get. Here, lay down. Let me get the mermaid tail. Gotta lay down. She's laying down, guys. Yeah, mermaid tail. Okay, hold on. Let me do it. But you gotta lay down. There you go. Woo-woo! She said she has a mermaid tail. We got a mermaid tail? Yeah? Okay, you look beautiful. You look so beautiful, my love. Are you having fun? She's gonna lost that. Lost that. Yeah. This sand is very unique. Very unique beach sand. Yeah.
Oh, my mermaid tail is gone.
Oh, you took it off. You took the mermaid one off, my love. Yeah. Oh, me asustaste. Let me see what you get. Oh, look at that. No quieres nada este. She's like, where's mine? Look. Go, Dad. Look, Dad has a cupcake or a cinnamon roll. Yeah, I was making her a mermaid. She sat down right there. I didn't want her to, but she wanted to. So there you go.
No, rinse off your button.
Woo. Beautiful. Look at that blue water. Daddy and twin with her daddy. Civic Group Adventures. Hey there, okay. That looks good. Yummy. Oh, those birds, they go pretty close right here. Little birds over there fighting. That birdie right there. No, he's eating what's inside that shell. What is it, buddy? Some food in there? He's like, ooh, there's food in there. There's food in there. Okay.
You good?
Oh, fighting for that shell. Birdies, look at that. Over there. That birdie right there. Oh. Look at these little birdies. Look at them. They want a snack. We don't have no snacks, buddy. You gonna get it, China? Yeah, it's right there next to China. Look at that. These birds have no shame. Look at that. Yeah, there's a lot of them. Look at that. Already attack. Yes, my love. Look at that. I have no food. We have no food. Hi, baby. You're like right here next to us. That's right. Oh, sounds so beautiful. Hi, little guy. He's like right here next to me. Are you doing bubbles? Let me see the bubbles. Woohoo! You're doing bubbles. She's got the bubbles, the bubbles. I'm running after the thing. Serenity, serenity. Peace of Jesus here. Monterey. There she goes with the bubbles. Bird over there. It was over your head. Oh, God. Whoa. China, you better be careful, China. Oh, Lord. Oh, these are some vicious ones.
They get into your bag, so you gotta be careful.
I closed mine, yeah. They're probably over there for that reason. Look at them. Little butt heads. There's my bag right
Coffee
there.
watch.
Oh, that's true. They're just chasing him out. They're a little vicious. You. That's why I always blow. I buy her the one that blows. Because that gives me dizzy. Look at this. Oh, thank you, Lord. Celebrating China's 3rd birthday. Here in Monterey. Whoop! There it goes! You okay, little buddy? You okay, little buddy? Our stuff's right there. Probably want to get our stuff. Huh? Oh, okay. Look, what in the world? There's China Metiche over there when they bite her. What in the world are you fussing? Don't be mean. Don't do that. You're teasing. Look at her. There's China when he turns around and bites her. There he's going. Says she bugs me too much. So beautiful. Well, anyways, I'm gonna end it here. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed to our channel, wish you would. Until next time, guys. Bye. China. There, China.